Good morning, guys. So this video is to explain your Dominican Culture Project that you guys will have due April 30th. As you can see, there's a list of 8 topics to choose from. Your topic has to be from this list. If you choose to do a different topic, you have to get it cleared with me first before starting your research on it. But please try to pick one of these from this list. It's okay if you're repeating the same topic as somebody else. There's all different things from music to food, culture, immigration trends. So some of these will definitely be a little bit easier for you. Some of these will be a little bit harder, depending on what your interests are and how much time you put into researching them. Your due date is April 30th. So I'm going to release this video a little bit early. So if you need to, you guys can get a head start on it. If you've already finished your In the Time of the Butterflies questions, then you can start on this right away. For this, you guys can work with a partner if you want to. However, you're going to have to work on communicating with each other since we're all virtually learning. So it's going to be up to you to Zoom with each other, FaceTime, whatever it is you do, to coordinate who's responsible for what and who's going to do what. Remember, I can still see your edits, so I know who's contributing what to each presentation. So if you guys decide to do a Google Slides presentation, which is probably your easiest, you want to share the slides presentation between the two of you and make sure you're equally contributing information to it. With the research portion, please do not copy and paste information from the internet. When you are researching, you want to look it up, take notes on it, either in a Google document or on a piece of paper, and then put those things in your own words and simplify them. Especially if you're doing a Google Slides presentation, we shouldn't see paragraphs of information on these slides. It should be simple, it should be to the point. It also should be colorful and fun. It should not be a boring presentation that looks like an essay. This is your time to be creative and do something different. Okay. Ms. McNally has also included different ways you can present. So if you look here, you can do a 3-dimensional model, pamphlet, music, poster. If you do anything that's not online or on a computer, you'll just have to take several pictures and maybe write a paragraph or two explaining what it's about and how it relates to the topic. All right, especially if you do something like a sculpture or even like a comic strip. That's going to be really short. You're going to need more information to back that up and to show you did the work. Also, I posted a link here on Screencast-O-Matic. That's what I've been using to record these videos and show you guys what I'm doing. If you would like to earn points by presenting your presentation this way, you can. It is not required. So you would click on this link for Screencast-O-Matic. It's going to take you here, and you're just going to launch Free Recorder. Once you launch that, it'll automatically download to your computer. You'll be able to open it up and record for free. You don't have to make an account or anything like that. If you're on a Chromebook, I'm not sure if it will let you download it. So let me know if you have any issues with that so we can work on that. And then you'll just have to figure out another way or maybe not record it with the screen recorder. But that is an option for some of you who would like to actually present your presentation, especially, like I said, if it's not a Google Slides or something easily accessible for me. Here is your rubric. The whole project is worth 30 points. So make sure you're aiming for this 10-point area, that you have all the information, you're answering all the questions given, you do a complete, well-rounded research of your topic. Don't just, Google search a couple things or take it out of one article. Look for multiple resources, look in different areas to find information that you need. Create some of your own questions. You guys should be curious about this topic on your own and want to find out more. So pick something that appeals to you and that just isn't the first thing on the list. Okay, so if you hit all of these points in your rubric, that's an easy 30 points. Also remember, creativity does count, so think outside the box. Try to do something that's a little bit different. Make it colorful, make it fun. Incorporate music, incorporate colors, art, whatever it is that's relevant. If you guys have any questions, you can always email me and let me know. And again, it's due April 30th. Ms. McNally will be back by then, and she will be grading your projects. So give her something nice to come back to when she returns. All right. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.